Hey there guys, this is I am Steve01 with another review. I know I haven't made one in a long time, but this is just my airsoft stuff that I have to use, that I use. So, starting from top to bottom, as you can see I got my belt with my holster with a Stinger P9 in it. And it has a 130 round magazine, I think. And my flashlight. See? Flashlight. Anyway, that's my flashlight. Then I have my knife as a carrying case. Rubber. See? It's rubber. I can bend it. It's a really nice, I got it for a couple bucks because I need a knife for airsoft stuff. And here's my cleaning rod. I like that cleaning rod because it's short and it works for my tack one chuck and my, forgot the name of that one. And these came with that one. These are soft air 500 rounds, 6mm plastic BBs, 12 grams. And these came with the pistol. I just use them for that too. And these are Crossman 500 round, 6mm plastic BBs with 12 grams too. And my gloves right here. I use these gloves. And my tack one shotgun. I'm finding the magazine for my other one. And this one is a modified one. It has an adjustable stock like that. It goes out like all that way. So then it has a pistol grip and pump action. Then my electric one, it's metal and hop up right in there. Pop up is right there too. And there is the 500 round magazine and metal right here. That's what it sounds like. And that's all, YouTube. So I am Steve01 is logging out. Goodbye, YouTube.